I do, right?
Yeah.
That was good. Cool. Okay. Should I go? Okay. Hello, I'm Lucy and we're at the YMCA Youth Club in Frome, and I'm an artist and I've been running workshops here with the youth clubs to redesign the space as part of a project for Somerset Art Works. So each week I've been doing different activities, and the purpose of them has been to get them to tell me what they want to see change in the space in a kind of creative way. So I've been doing things like transfer printing onto fabric, we've been doing lino prints, we did a painting workshop, just various different creative workshops, and been trying to teach them new skills as well.
To decorate the whole thing, place to make it more colourful. It's like a jungle plate kind of thing, and it's themed on a jungle, and is full of green.
We do crafts and stuff as well, and cooking stuff or whatever, but this is different, because normally crafts we do we take home, whereas these ones get to stay at youth club and we get to put them on the wall for other people to see, not just for us.
Right, so from the first workshop that you attended, how has the progress been, do you think?
So I've been to 3 workshops now. Between the first one and the one we've just been doing now, it's nice to see some familiar faces who have been, every time I've been there. They seem to be more confident getting involved from what I've seen, and happy just getting on with it and creating whatever they feel like. A lot of feedback has been that it's nice to just have a specific space where the only thing you need to be doing is art and being creative. Because sometimes if you're at home you've got siblings, or it's just a bit chaotic, or you've got homework, and so sort of sitting down to do some drawing is not very easy. But if you find yourself at the YMCA and there's a table set up and Lucy's there on hand to offer any help and support, and there's a specific project to work towards, you're just really able just to sit down and be in that moment and just enjoy making.